Beyond Penguins and Polar Bears is an online professional development magazine developed especially for elementary teachers. Launched in March 2008, each thematic issue relates elementary science topics and concepts to the real-world context of the polar regions and includes standards-based science and content-rich literacy learning. The magazine covers many common Earth and space science topics such as geography, seasons, rocks, minerals and fossils, the water cycle, energy, and erosion, plus life science topics such as plants and animals. The indigenous peoples of the Arctic, climate change, and polar research and explorers round out the 20 issues of the magazine. All the content revolves around and supports the integration of science and literacy teaching. Let's take a quick tour of Beyond Penguins and Polar Bears so you can easily navigate all this great content. At the top of the homepage are navigation links, contributors, stories for students, standards, browse columns, archive, podcast, photo gallery, and change language. Let me give you an introduction to some of those links. Feature stories are available under the Stories for Students link. These are informational texts that have been differentiated for 3 grade bands, grades K through 1, 2 to 3, and 4 and 5, and are available in print, foldable, and electronic versions. The Standards page provides a matrix that shows how the content of each issue correlates to the National Science Education Standards. Each issue of the magazine is divided into departments and columns. The Browse Columns page allows you to see all the articles from each column from all 20 issues of the magazine. The Archive page provides links to and descriptions of all 20 issues of the magazine. Now let's look at the green bar that runs through the middle of the home page. By clicking on these links, you can join our free monthly webinars on integrating science and literacy, follow Beyond Penguins on Facebook, read about what's happening at the polar regions at our blog, learn about other ways to print and read the magazine, and keep informed of project happenings by following us on Twitter and by signing up for email alerts. At the bottom of the homepage, you can see the cover images of all 20 issues of the magazine. Another way to visit an issue of the magazine is to click on one of those images. Let's go ahead and click on a specific issue. I'm going to click on the water, ice, and snow issue, the image of the icebergs. Notice how the magazine is laid out. Each issue is laid out exactly the same, so when you learn how to navigate one, you'll know how to navigate all of the issues. There are 5 departments: professional learning, science and literacy, across the curriculum, in the field, scientists at work, and polar news and notes. Under each of the department titles, you'll see column titles such as science content knowledge, misconceptions, lessons and activities, featured story, and researcher stories, each providing ways to improve student achievement in science, as well as in reading comprehension and oral and written discourse abilities. You can click on each column link to find information that relates to the theme of that issue of the magazine. Let's go back to the Beyond Penguins and Polar Bears homepage. Remember, you can see all the articles from a specific column across all the issues by clicking on the Browse Columns link. We've just glanced at the tip of the iceberg. There is so much more to explore on how you can integrate inquiry science and literacy instruction around polar science concepts.